Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sathak, and in this video we will learn about Cucumber expressions. I've already told this in my Hindi playlist, but this is something which has come up very recently, and it is very easy. It is a wonderful replacement for regular expressions. Let's jump ahead. You can see I have mentioned them here, so I'll directly jump into the code and I'll explain. There are certain things which you have to take care of, and that's it. So once we go into there, it will be very easy. So let's jump into the code directly. I've already written a feature file which will give me a chance to actually try to use almost all 5 of these. So I have created a feature file. I just changed something. Okay, I just copy pasted something. Validate OTP. OTP is my trip. Okay, so it's just a vague example which I've taken. I have this feature file which has one particular tag, and the scenario says that we are looking to validate OTP of a particular website. I'm using a Chrome browser with certain version, so this will give me to test the float part of it because it has a decimal, and of course the URL which can act as a string, and then these are normal things. There's a mobile number which is anyways vague. I just want to use the integer part, and similarly this is an OTP which is a very vague OTP, but again it will give me a chance to check the anything part of the Cucumber expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the matching glue code. I have to write the step definition for this particular feature file. So I'll directly jump. I have created a Cucumber demo 2. Okay, this is in Cucumber demo 2. So I need to create a package. I'll create Cucumber demo 2 package, and I will create a new step definition file, and it will be Cucumber expressions underscore step definition, and that's it. It's very simple. Now all I need to do is I need to copy this, put it over here, and do the same thing which I did last time. There is another alternative to it. You don't have to do this because marking everything sometimes gives you a little bit of maybe you will miss out on something and not miss out, and it's boring. So I'm gonna show you a new trick. What you need to do is just right click on this feature file. One second guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this feature file which does not have a matching glue code yet, because see, I have not created this step definition file because I find it very boring to give @given and then import all the packages. There is another simple way. You right click on this feature file, you just run as a Cucumber feature. It will throw error and it will give you a lot of suggestions. Copy paste those suggestions. See, it will give you all the suggestions, right? It will say you can implement missing steps with the snippets below. Do one thing, just go ahead and copy this. Copy this. Take it to the step definition file. Paste it. Now do Ctrl+Shift+O. There will be a small challenge. The small challenge will be here you have taken given and then and but this will come up as given then and all that thing. So you have to be a little bit careful here because you have to arrange your these Gherkin words very precisely. Just do that. First one is given, the other one is and. I will tell you in a separate video why this thing is happening and how you can understand this. And it is then, next is then, and then it is again and. Okay, followed by then and but. Okay, now you have done this. Next thing that you need to do is you please delete these throwable exceptions which are there using the throw. Just delete all this. I'll tell you why later. Just delete all this. Now it's now we just make sure that you copy everything correctly. Okay, copy exactly the same thing. Don't try to give unnecessary spaces. I'm not trying to. It is the same. Okay, now I've done all the copying part. Okay, I will change this. I will give it on my own. I'm not gonna use whatever is suggested. Okay, now I have done the matching glue code. The other thing what I need to do, I have given when, then, and I've not used when, but that's fine. Now the next thing what you need to do is I will try to do this Chrome. I'll parameterize Chrome. Okay, so Chrome, I'll choose one. Can I choose Word? Yes, I can choose Word, because you can choose Word if it is an alphabet but without any spaces. Chrome is one word. If I want to use Chrome browser, then I have to use string. I cannot use the word cucumber expression because it is violating the criteria of without spaces. So, but if I'm only using Chrome, I can remove this and I can write here word, and that's it. But here I have to pass the parameter string browser name, and that's it. I don't want to write system.out.println. I ignore all that. It will just kills time. I don't want to do that. Then now the next thing is this one. I can use let's say this is a float, right? It's a decimal, so I will use float for this. I'll remove this float, and here I'll use float browser version. Okay, now this one I'll convert as a string, and here I'll write string URL, simple, and here I'll not use anything. I just leave it like that. Mobile number I'll convert using the expression int. There is one thing I forgot. Whenever you're using cucumber expression here, whatever you do a certain change in this step definition, exactly when you're using string, especially for string, all you have to do is you go and change this and keep it either in double quotes or in single quotes. So I'll suggest you keep it in double quotes. It will come as blue. Save it, and then that's fine. That's the only thing which you need to do. Leave this one alone. It makes okay. Now int mobile number, I'll write contact. Okay, I'll leave this one alone too. And now this one I'll do a little bit for 2134. For this particular bit I will use int. Okay, because this becomes an integer, I will use int here, and for this ampersand to the power and this division percentage symbol, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, anything. Okay, so I'll just use, that's it. So here I'll write int OTP initials, and I'll write string OTP ending. This looks fine. I think I don't need to change anything. The only thing I need to change is the string OTP. If at all, I will mark this within now. This might create a problem. We'll see whether this is a good problem or a bad problem. Okay, I've never done this. This is for the first time I'm doing it. I'm trying to introduce all in it. Okay, okay, see, this is wonderful. I've never done this. Even though I'm using anything, I have to introduce a certain parameter here. Okay, so I'm using string. Now, because I'm using string, I've changed this one and I've given a space, which again string can accommodate, but string, will it consider the whole thing or not? That is something to be seen. So now I'll save it. I'll close this. I'll also close this. I'll refresh the project. Control F5 I'll do. I'll again open the feature file. Why it is taking so much time to open? Come on, why it is taking so much time? What happened to my system? Oh, IDE not responding. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, it came back. So now all the warnings are gone. This is ease my trip, right? OTP ease my trip is the tag. I'll go to runner class. I'll change this, and it is in Cucumber unders demo 2. Yes, this is where the glue code actually lies. Cucumber underscore demo 2 package. So let me run it. Okay, it worked. It really worked. Let us go ahead and check our report. We can find it over here. It took the space and it made it to work. So this works. I mean, in a project you will not encounter such kind of, you don't have to manipulate something like this. It was just out of curiosity I went ahead and did it, and it is actually working. I gave an alpha special alpha special character kind of an entity, and sorry, it was a numeric and special type of entity, and I gave the first numeric part as int, and the other one I just kept anything, and I introduced this. It worked. You can see the reports. So this is mostly about Cucumber expressions. The only thing which you have to be careful about is especially string. If you are introducing string in any of your step definition, just make sure that corresponding feature should be within double quotes, or you can also use single quotes. It will work for both, but I will rather suggest keep it in double quotes, because we anyways keep everything in string in double quotes, so it will just be a correct match. So I hope this particular session of Cucumber expressions you liked. You would learn something. This is something new which has come up. I'm sure it is much easier than the complicated things about regular expressions, because you will not remember them. Even I forget, so that's fine. But this one is something which you can easily remember, and float is also something which you can easily work with. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Sarthak here, signing off.